Hi there guys, Scotty here. If you're watching this, you probably just watched my video about adding wireless charging to an iPhone 7, and you're asking, how can I do this myself? Where can I get one of these kits? So the deal is, I talked to Yeka and his partners, and they're just not set up right now to sell these kits outside of China. So I agreed to put some up in the Strange Parts store if we could do a special Strange Parts edition of the case. Which they were totally down to do. So the case is glass and aluminum. It's got the cutout for the wireless charging antenna that Yeka designed. And then this just plugs into the connector where the bottom flex connector for the lightning jack plugs into the phone. In order to do this, however, you have to take the contents of your phone, take them all out piece by piece, and then assemble them into here. So it's not a super easy project. You guys saw me struggle with it a bit. However, I think we figured out some of the parts where I was getting stuck. I'm gonna make an installation video for you that leads you through it step by step. I think we're hopefully setting you up for a good chance of success. That being said, this is totally an alpha product, so please don't try it on your daily driver phone and then email me very sad when you broke it. But I do think it's doable. I've only got 100. I might order more in the future if this is popular, but this might be it. So if you want to give this a try, don't wait.